From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, of late, cooler than normal, and that's going to stay that way just through overnight tonight. Warmer temperatures in the forecast, and with warmer temperatures at pollen and mold count eventually going back up, and tree pollen has creeped back up into the moderately high category. Still reporting moderate grass and weed numbers, but those numbers should be easing as we round out the month and head into the month of May. So let's take a look at the big picture as we take a look at the northern hemisphere. We have a little bit of a wavy jet stream pattern going on with the southern branch of the what we'll call the subtropical jet stream, and we're going to see some disturbances rolling on through that upper level jet that's going to allow for some scattered rain chances, but a lot of the action will kind of be going around Acadiana for the most part. But we do have some pretty legit rain chances going into Wednesday night into Thursday morning there, after just a few more question marks as we head into Festival Internacional. Now, as you look at the U.S., you're contrasted by snow and winter storm warnings in around the Rockies, and then you have severe weather threat down in South Florida, severe thunderstorm threat with a little bit of a disturbance there that's been rolling through the Gulf of Mexico. It was actually out in Texas yesterday, rolled through the Gulf, now heading toward Florida. And for us, we've been kind of in between weather systems. We just have some clouds out there mixed with some sun, so not a bad day. Temperatures a little bit below normal, and you'll notice Power Doppler 3 not showing any significant shower activity in the area, so certainly good news there. And it's going to stay that way overnight tonight as we look at the extended HRRR model. We'll call it fair to partly cloudy skies. Another cool one. Normal lows this time of year should be lower 60s. We'll be in the mid 50s tonight. Then tomorrow, a mixture of clouds and sun, but more sun expected tomorrow. We'll get into the lower 80s. Humidity still comfortable. We'll have mostly an easterly wind, but eventually those winds turn southeasterly, so it will be a milder night going into tomorrow night. We hold in the 60s. And then going into Wednesday afternoon, still relatively quiet, but we'll have moisture lurking to the south and to the north, and eventually that gets together as we take a look at the European model going into Wednesday. We will go with some scattered shower activity, rain chance at about 30-40%. Higher rain chances going into Wednesday night, Thursday morning. Here we go with some showers and maybe some healthy storms moving on through Thursday. We'll go 60% on the rain chances. After that, Friday looking good, and the weekend we have an upper level disturbance is going to be pushing on through. May generate a few quick passing showers midday Saturday, but it's not going to be a washout for Festival Internacional. Then Sunday looking awfully nice and cool with temperatures in the low to mid 70s for highs. So as we look ahead through tonight, temperatures getting down into the mid 50s, most portions of Acadiana. Then tomorrow, nice warm up, upper 70s to near 80 with partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow night, as mentioned, we hold closer to the low to mid 60s, and then getting into Wednesday afternoon back into the lower 80s with those rain chances gradually creeping upward. So overnight tonight, 56 the low. We'll call it seasonably cool, fair to partly cloudy skies for the most part, and a crescent moon out there during the sunset. Look for Venus in the sky pretty close to the moon as well. That's been pretty over the last couple of nights. And then for tomorrow, a sun and cloud mix, more clouds than sun early, but more sun than clouds later. Warmer afternoon temperatures for sure. We'll go 81 the high, mostly easterly winds turning gradually southeasterly for tomorrow afternoon, and looks good through tomorrow evening as well. Moving ahead into Wednesday, rain chance will go 30-40%. 50 to 60% on Thursday. This number may go up, or we may have it mostly Wednesday night. Friday, as we mentioned, looking good. Quick passing shower possible Saturday, but overall not looking too bad for Festival Internacional. And with any luck, rain chances will be done with for the big Lauren Daigle concert at Festival going into Thursday night. As we know, that's going to be well attended and packed. So trying to get the forecast all straightened out. We knew going into this week there were some question marks, and they're still there. They didn't go away this week, but overall I think we're going to squeeze in a very good Festival International.
We will take that.
Yes.
Thank you, Rob, in
welcome.
advance.
Okay. For now.
For now.
For now.